not for others. For you only you have to prove yourself. Okay, it is a proverb. We have to use it in our life. Then now we can go to the class. Here we are going to learn about musical instruments. Musical instruments. Here we are having some very important musical instruments we are now going to learn. Okay, here ganta. Ganta means bell. Ganta means bell. Okay, जब घंटा बजती है छात्रों ने क्लास के बाहर आते हैं. छात्रों क्लास के बाहर आते हैं means when the bell rings, children ran out of the class for lunch. Then here jung. Jung means harp. Jung means harp. Then the third one is junch. Junch means cymbal. Cymbal. Then the fourth one is tafla. Tafla. Okay, tafla in English we can say it as timbal. We can take as timbal. Then the fifth one is damaru. Damaru. Damaru means small drum. Small drum. We can say it as in Tamil udukai. Okay, which is in the hands of Lord Shiva. Okay, this is damaru. Then the sixth one is dolak. Okay, sixth one is dolak. Dolak is timbrel. This is timbal. Here this is timbrel. In North Indians they are having in the time of marriages. In the time of marriages, they are ladies also used to use this timbrel, that is dolak. Okay, they can play dolak. Then the seventh one is tabla. Okay, seventh one is tabla, that is tabur. Tabla means tabur. Here bansuri. Okay, bansuri. Bansuri means flute. Bansuri means flute. Lord Krishna always in hands. We can see in the pictures he is having the flute in his hand. Okay, we can see. Then the ninth one is dugdugi. Okay, dugdugi. Dugdugi means tom tom. Okay, dugdugi means tom tom. Then 10th one is bela. Bela means violin. Bela means violin. Then the 11th one is mardal. Okay, 11th one is mardal. This is big drum. Big drum. In the time of marriages we used to play this big drum. Okay, then this is also called as mridang. Mridangam. Okay, mridangam. Here 13th one is siti. Siti means whistle. Not this is a whistle used by this flute also we can give whistle, not by the lips only. Then the 14th one is harmonium. Harmonium. We can see many musicians in their hands, they are always playing this harmonium for composing the songs. Okay, then 15th one is sitar. Okay, 15th one is sitar, same as sitar. Okay, we can see once again. Here see ganda. Ganda means bell, used in the temple, church. Okay, in the school also we use ganda. The next one is jung. Jung means harp. Then janch. Janch means cymbal. The fourth one is tabla, timbal. This one is damaru. Damaru means small drum. Damaru means small drum. Then sixth one is dolak. Okay, sixth one is dolak. It means timbrel. Then this one is tabla. Tabla means tabur. Then eighth one is basuri. Basuri means flute. Here the next. Then ninth one is dugdugi. Dugdugi means tam tam. Then bela. Bela means violin. Then here mardal. Mardal means big drum. Here also we are having mridang. Okay, mridang means the mardal is used in the time of some DJs. Okay, they are using these drums. Mridang is used for in the time of marriages. Okay. Here 13th CT. CT means whistle. Then 14th one is harmonium. Harmonium. Same. Here also sitar means sitar or sitar. We can in the speaking wise we can say it as kitar. Okay. In Hindi we are saying as sitar. Okay. These are all the musical instruments. Can you understand?